Well, Sandy's not in the kitchen.
Don't play by side.
I got a stick.
He is staying out of the kitchen.
Sorry. True.
Out of the kitchen into the fire pit.
I mean, if you're such an expert on kitchens, go make me a sandwich.
And move him around the way.
You know, you just face as a sandwich.
Yum. Oh, it's boiling.
You could survive in the wild.
You're ready for this.
This is gonna be terrible.
It's gonna pop. It's like, how is it not pop by now?
Holy shit, no way.
This one.
Oh my god! You laugh! No, shit, my invention!
Oh my god.
Jamie, this is different than what you were doing.
I'm scared right now.
Yeah, but that was my first hypothesis, and I revised it to have a...
I revised it.
You suggested the revision.
No, she
I was the one that followed
I revised it.
She revised it, Jamie.
All right, fine, Jesus. You need to pour
What's
some
going
of
on
this
with the
oil
rest
out.
of them then?
You pour it out into the fire.
I'm not going to pour into a fire, Miles. That's your part.
We're pouring it out where we're going to walk.
You're right. That's actually bad. Yeah, and you guys don't... It'll cool off.
Oh shit!
Catch it quick as it flies up.
That was a terrible idea!
Buddy! That's pretty good.
Ow!
Damn it!
Oh shit!
Because look how flavorless popcorn, actually, that way.
Don't aim at me.
I want to catch him up now!
That popcorn is anything.
Okay. Holy fuck!
Oh my god. Yeah.
This is a fucking terrible idea!
This is a horrible idea.
Jimmy, you wasted an entire bag of popcorn.
Holy shit! Damn it!
Okay, wait, I gotta get gloves.
You gotta lick the skillet. Body.
Whoa! Hey, he's a pro!
You got all the good ones.
Stand
They're
far
on the
back.
They're on the ground. Phase it.
Power stance!
I just wanted to build
You gotta play like ninja against the freaking...
We should play Ninja later.
Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! Yeah! Take that charge! Oh fuck! Oh my god, it looks so... Burning! This was a bitch! Oh my god, this guy got the flaming girl! Oh,
Is it done?
that's gonna smell terrible.
You better get that out there before it all burns.
Yeah.
No.
It's so there.
It tasted so bad. Because there wasn't any butter on it or anything.
Popcorn fucking everywhere.
Go. Go.
Don't get pussy.
Game. Oh. So much.
That
You gotta throw it to the plant.
God.
This is not a good idea, Jimmy. If his backyard catches on fire, we're like, yeah.
That wasn't cool though when it started really going.
It was, but it was painful. One hit me in the eye.